Okay, so here we are in the ChatGPT homepage. If you're using Claude or Gemini or Grok, it's probably going to look a lot different. But on the left-hand side, you have a new chat. You can search your chats. Library it consists of all your images that you've used in the past or images that you've either uploaded or that ChatGPT has created for you. I'm not going to talk about customized GPTs, but here are the folders of different projects I'm running right now. These are some home stuff mixed in with some of the projects that I use. I have a book project here, and I also have my film project there as well. For the customization, click on down at the very bottom. Um, you will have my name is here. I'm a plus member, and you're going to go into your settings. You want to just make sure that for personalization, under settings, click on all the memories, make sure that those are all clicked on. You can see I'm full. My memories are full. I'm gonna have to go back in there and clean those to get rid of some of those. Some memories probably you don't need anymore. So this is memory. Have that kept down. The reason why is because when you're writing um, and you're building that relationship with your AI, it'll access past memories and remember. It'll even remember characters you've created. It's pretty cool. And I like that we have that kind of relationship with each other. Um, and then we're going to click out of here, go back into our account, and we want to customize ChatGPT. And this is where you will have your customization. It's funny that I didn't set up my nickname for what to call me, but it's funny because when you're in that type of rapport back and forth with each other, it'll call me all kinds of things. They'll say, "Oh, my trusty sidekick," or my Agatha Christie expert. It's funny. It'll just throw in all this random stuff to me. Um, but this helps because then you're always called Nick. Let's say, for instance, my name is Nick. Call me Nick. What do you do? I am a writer and filmmaker. And then you have what personality should ChatGPT have? And then you have all these ones down here. Chatty, witty, straight shooting. Straight shooting, of course, is going to give you that rougher edge of being more of a critical thinker. Encouraging, Gen Z, which I have no idea what that is. Um, so I think I will probably put traditional, witty, straight shooting, but also encouraging. Um, and I would also say one of the things that ChatGPT does, which I don't really care about too much, is it kind of fluffs it using lots of metaphors and similes. Like it would say, his emotion was wetter than a dog's tongue or something. It would just go off on these crazy metaphors and similes, and it's just too much. It's so like almost too much fluff. I would say, you know, don't don't write in don't write in fluffy descriptions because it does that a lot. Um, and advanced, whoops. Oh, there we go. Sorry about this. I have to click it again. Open that up. Um, advanced voice, web search code. So if you're doing code, you can write code here. Canvas is interesting because when it presents something to you, you actually have to call Canvas. We're not going to talk too much about it, but it lets you edit your responses. So if they're giving you something and you don't want it on screen, you can edit it out and just because they might present something and it's way off target, and you can ask to get into Canvas and it'll let you edit. I'm not going to talk too much about that here, but all right. So then we save. Now I'm just going to cancel it now because I don't remember. I think I might already have something saved and then we're going to exit. So then you have this great relationship, and you'll see it. I'll post some of the relationships I have, which is it's tongue in cheek, it's back and forth. Um, but for instance, let me just show you this real quick. I'm doing this. I'm editing my website right now, And um, so here's saying, so here I'm building this whole website out right now. And the one I have now is a very basic website, but it's very encouraging. You've made a ton of progress. This site is really shaping up into something clean, professional, and fun. Rest well, recharge. I'll be there tomorrow for you. And it's true. It's like he always shows up. He's like your dog, right? He's always there. He's always at your side, waiting for the walk, waiting for the next treat. I mean, it's really quite funny. Um, and so yeah, that's just setting the parameters of your pages. The next one we will get into hardcore prompt engineering. All right, I'll see you in that next class.